Nasaan yung yabang ng Chinese PLA Navy? Bakit parang naduwag atang lumapit sa BRP Miguel Malvar, ang pinakamaraming missile na warship sa hanay ng Philippine Navy? Idinuploy na kasi ang BRP Miguel Malvar sa Bao de Masinloc. Habang nagsasagawa nga to ng pagpapatrolya, may nadetektong Chinese PLA Navy warship. Papalapit nga ng papalapit ang barko ng China, pero nang makita siguro na BRP Miguel Malvar pala, hindi na nito tinangkang lumapit pang muli. Sa Bao de Masinloc rin ang insidente noong nakaraang linggo na may dumikit at tinangkapan ng China PLA Navy humarang sa dadaanan ng ating barko.
We are able to detect it sa radar natin from the range of 8 to 10 nautical miles using our sensors, our radar and electro-optic system. However, wala naman pong ginawang unusual activity. So we keep on tracking them, monitoring them. They even launched their helicopter this morning kasi we remain focused on the objectives of this training. So yun ang pinaka-importanting mission namin dito sa barko. So we stick to the plan and then we executed the plan properly.
Hindi din gaya ng ibang warship ng China na nagre-radio challenge. Ito as in wala talagang ginawa. Nandoon lang talaga sila, nasa malayo at tila nagmamasid lang. Pati yung idineploy na Navy helicopter ng China na duwag din. Hindi din kasi lumapit eh. Wala ring nadetect na Chinese Maritime Militia, wala ring Chinese Coast Guard sa bisinidad ng Bao de Masinloc. Kakaibang-kakaiba to na usually nagpapatrolya rin ng China sa isla. Nireport naman agad ng commanding officer ng barko ang nadetect nilang Chinese. Para kung gagawa man ng delikadong aksyon ang China, mabilis makakaresponde ang US Air Force at AFP para labanan ang mga incheck.
Walang radio challenges na nangyari from us and then from them. So we just keep on monitoring each other, maintain safe distances. Even their helicopters, di sila lumapit sa atin.
Ito nga ang pinakaunang deployment ng BRP Miguel Malvar. Pero nasubok din agad sila. Nanindigan naman ang kapitan ng barko na hindi sila mangunguna sa pagpapataas ng tensyon sa rehiyon. Gagampanan lang daw nila ang kanilang tungkulin na bantayan ng ating teritoryo. Kusa namang umalis ang barko ng China at nagpatuloy naman ang deployment ng warship natin.
Our first official mission since we were commissioned last month, May 20, coincided with the celebration of the Navy Day. So the crew were very excited and we were able to test not only our new equipment but yung capacity ng mga tao natin to handle these modern weapons and sensors that we have. Pinakamalagang aspect ko nito is we were able to test our capabilities. We were able to operate to enhance our interoperability. Hindi lang po sa forces natin, which is we call it interagency interoperability with the Coast Guard. We also have a joint interoperability with the Philippine Air Force, and we were able to have a combined interoperability with US forces.
Dapat pala warship lagang idinedeploy. Laging nakaalalay lang sa Philippine Coast Guard. Tignan nyo walang nag-water cannon. Ni lumapit man lang hindi nagawa ng China. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo dito? I-komento sa baba ang inyong salog.